Circle. Circle. Paki-circle. Circle lang. Sige, kahit pag wala ng hand. And circle lang, circle. Ang game natin ngayon is pass lahat imaginary potato, okay? Ipapass niyo yung balloon. Okay, syempre may music pa din. Pag nag-stop yung music, kung sino may hawak ng balloon, will automatically out. Gets ba? Okay, wait lang. So, asan yung balloon? Okay, ilan pang balloon yan? Isa na lang kasi boys na karoon sila. Okay, next right. Ipapass yung balloon. You know that game na? Okay, ipapass yung balloon. Pag nag-stop yung music, kung sino may hawak ng balloon, siya yung out. Okay, kaya kailangan mabilis kayong mag-pass. Okay? Ay, saan pa lang? Game na? Sige na boys, hindi ko pa first. Okay, ready ng ating boys. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Pass! Yung titigil para hindi makita. Up! Sino? Okay, pakiayos ulit ang formation boys ha. Okay, one more time. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Up! Sino? Si Down. Okay, Diki down. Okay, one more time. Okay, ready? Di ako titigil na. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Up! Sino? Okay, thank you po. Ay, bigyan ng friend. Ayan. Okay, next round. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Up. Ulit. One more time. Okay, ready? Walang ito yung kundi pag itatapin yung balon na ipapas lang. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Up. Okay, thank you po. Ayan. Ilan na lang sila? Ilan? 6. Okay, yung 5. Isa na lang matatanggal dito yung 5. Nagpuproceed sa next game. Okay, isa na lang matatanggal ha. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Okay, isa pa. Huwag ito daw yung balloon ha. Pass! Okay, sila? Si Kuya. Okay, thank you. Ayan yung limang nagpupusin na sa ating next game. Ayan, para pala yung line. Okay, suga pa. Okay, ready na? Pabilisan to ha. Yung mga starters ready na? Ready na kayo? Okay, ready? Mark, very good. 3, 2, 1, start! Pass! Dito! Asa yung pass? Pass! Okay, babalik na pass! Babalik na sa harapan! Babalik na! Okay, panalo ang girl! Hanap! Cheated daw! Hanap! Okay, lahat na lang sila panalo. Ay daw isa shoulder, knees, toes. Ayan, pag sinabi kong happy, hindi ka dapat yung happy meal. Okay, gets ba? Gets na? Okay, ready na ba? Ready na? Walang mag-aaway ha? Ay, pantay na lang muna natin. Okay, pag sinabi kong happy, hindi ka dapat yung happy meal. Mali din. May team yung score dito. Kunyari, kayo ang pinakamarami nakuha ang happy meal. Kayo ang panalo. Okay? Doesn't matter kung hindi ka nakuha.
Huwag sisirain yung happy meal box.
Huwag sisirain ha? Huwag gugustuhin ha?
Pag nasira, out na.
Okay, out na yan. Listen lang ha? Okay, game na? Okay, give it first. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, head. Wala pa, head pa lang. Okay, head, shoulder, toes, turn around. Okay, shoulder, ears, nose, happy. Taas. Sina, 1-0. Okay, pakibalik lahat ng happy. Ganon. Okay, ready? Ready na? Ready, 3, 2, 1, shoulder, turn around. Head, toes, head, shoulder, ears, toes, head, turn around, happy. Okay, sino? It's a tie. Walang mag-aaway ha? Walang mag-aaway.
Ito tayo.
Ako pa ibalik ulit ang happy meal.
Happy meal na. Nakikita na ako silang happy meal ha.
Ito ang happy meal. Okay, head, toes, shoulder, head, ears, eyes, head, shoulder, turn around, head, ears, happy. Tayo pa rin? Tayo pa rin eh. Tagal naman natin ang ano? Tayo pa rin ang gagaling eh. 3 turns? Okay, isa pa. Isa pa, one more time. Okay, ready? Toes. Turn around. Head. Happy. Ay, mali. Galing talaga. Okay, nagkanta lang tayo ng players. Okay, maganda na lang tayo ng players. Sino ba pwede? Girls na lang ang maganda.
7 na wala na nagtatay siya.
Okay, 7 na yan. Okay, ay sino natin ang topic. Pansirado to. Okay, ready? Ready na? Ito na yung line na. Line na. Nano pearl lang. Yan, line. Ano na yung line? Parang pearl lang, pearl. Okay, ready na, ready. Head. Asan yung head? Shoulder. Head. Turn around. Ears. Ears. Toes. Knees. Shoulder. Happy. Ready na sila na. Taas ka, taas. Ready sila na ako. Ilan dito? Dito ang manalo. Okay. Ilan ang score? Ilan na? All 1 ba? All 1? Or 2-0? All 1. At least yung happy meal. May nasira na. Ay, malita na lang. Masyado ko pwede din ang ating mga covers today. Happy. Kasi natin ang happy grab. Ay na, balik na ulit, balik. Okay, all 1 lang, all 1. No, this is race to 3. We need to, get 3 points.
Bakit antay mo ng happy yung back natin? Bakit na ba yan?
Okay, listen na, listen. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Shoulder. Toes. Where's the toes? Head. Turn around. Head. Shoulder. Knees. Head. Ears. Toes. Happy.
2-1 na po tayo.
Ayan, ayan, bawi kailangan mag-bounce ito. Ayan, BGM. Ayan, last point na lang sila. Okay, kailangan nyo manalo ng 2 straight points. Ay, pakibalik na rin ang happy hit. Pakibalik. Okay, pakibalik natin niya. Okay, ready? 3, head. Ako gusto ko stand straight lang stand straight. Para fair naman. Stand straight lang tayo pa. Mount your shoulder. And basta yung follower. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, head. Toes. Toes. Have your toes. Turn around. Head. Turn around. Ears. Toes. Knees. Head. Ears. Ears. Happy. Okay, naman ako ha. Bala mo kita.
Out na tayo.
Well, good. Okay, this is the last round. Okay. Okay, this is the last round na. Sige nga, pwede kumappers. Okay, ready na. Okay, last round natin. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, turn around. Ears. Shoulder. Knees. Ano yung knees? Toes. Head. Ears. Turn around. Head. Shoulder. Turn around. Happy.
Happy.
Sino?
Panalo yung video side ah.
Hello, mga boys.